So here we have taken the data from the Excel sheet or CSV file that orders, people, and returns. Three sheets we have taken, and then we have built a data model here. So in this data model, so what is the relationship and everything we have seen, and the data will be available in the data tab. So here all the data will be available. If you want to do any manipulations on the data, you want to add some columns, new columns, and new measures, the quick measure, all the manipulations, you can do it in the calculations tab. Then we are going with the reports. Here we have created some one or two reports, like the region, sales by regions, the sales by regions in the bar chart. Then we have seen the different type of chart, right? So bar and line chart. Okay, we will continue with the visualizations. So if you look at here, the visualizations are like we have the many visualizations. We will see one by one. Then we will see the data, the how to manipulate the data. We have some, we can write some formulas here. So all this we can write. After that, we will see the Power Query editor, then DAX formulas and everything. Okay. So here, whatever we have developed, everything will be there on the page. So we can go for multiple pages, and even you can go for the filters. So if you click on one particular view, you'll be having a filters on the visuals. So you can see here, by default will be available on the measures here. So measures and dimensions. Here region is the dimension and sales is the measure. So you can see here, if you click on this, you can find the filtering options. So whatever the regions we have, it is available. You can go for the checkbox, right? So if you click on the checkbox, you can able to see the data is getting changed for this particular view only. Then you can, if you want to change, you can change it. The data will change. The same way you can go for something like you can go for single selections. Then you can click on the single selections. This is something like basic filter. We will see more filters options. And if you click on one particular view, you'll be having the page, this particular chart filter. We are choosing this one. This is the entire page. And then the entire page, you are seeing the view. Okay, filters on this page, filters on all the pages. So this is what we are seeing it. Okay. And then we'll go to the new. If you want to go for new page, you can go for the new page. You can keep the chart here. If you want to create here also another view, another 3 different views, you can create it. So keep the cursor here. The page should be selected. Okay, the page should be selected. First, we will go for the chart is called the clustered column chart. See the clustered column chart and simply a clustered bar chart. We will be having bar chart will show you the horizontal way and vertical way, both. Okay, then we have the stacked bar. Stacked bar means within the bar, if I want to go for one more dimensions, then you can go for the stacked bar. First, we will go for the bar chart. So simply click on the bar chart. So one click on the bar chart, it will create one bar chart here. Then I want to create some different kind of view. Okay, so I'll go with the chart. Say for an example here, I want to create so different kind of here I have the subcategory or category. So I'll go for category here. See, we have the categories, and category wise, I'll go for the quantity, the product quantity. Then you can see here the office supplies, furniture, technology. 3 different categories are there. Based on that, you are seeing the quantity, how much quantity has been sold. So you can see this is the one, right? Okay. Same way you can apply here. You can go for one more dimensions also. Here we have taken only one dimension, but here you can go for one more dimension. I'm going with subcategory also. See here, I'm going with subcategory. You can see, so this is what you can able to see here. So you can go on focus mode. You can see all these are office supplies, then furniture, then technology, right? So here the legend is on the subcategories. That is why each and everything showing in this particular color. So you can see the access on category, legend is on subcategory, and values on quantity. Okay. So if you do not want the legend, you can remove it. So simply it will show you the office supplies, furniture, and technology. Okay. But if you want the subcategory should be selected, you'll be selecting this way. Then subcategory also will be showing. So this is the way it will be showing. If you want to make, so category and subcategory both are in access, then drag and drop from here to here. See, once you have moved from here to here, see, look at here. Previously, we have this category and subcategory here. So each and everything you can have this, the subcategory. Okay, the category is office supplies, then you are seeing the subcategory. Here, office supplies, then you are seeing the category. But once you move this into access, then you are having only three, right? But in the top, you can see the drill down options. See this arrow mark. Previously, this arrow mark will not be there. So look at here. This arrow mark is not there, right? Then that means there is no drill down options. But here I have the drill down options. Okay. So look at here. So here the category and subcategory. If you want to make category into legend, you can put the category into legend. So each category on the different colors. Okay. Different colors also. You can go for format. You can enable the data labels. The data labels will be enabled. You can see it showing like a K values, right? And then if you want to make border, you can put the borders. So all this you can do the formatting. Okay. So now if you look at here, you have some click on this one to drill down options. Then this is one next level hierarchy. So if you click on, if you have anything to drill down, it will go for. Otherwise, it will not go for. You can go for next level hierarchy. Then you can able to see here, see all the values like the blue color represents office supplies, then furniture, and then technology. Okay. So this is what you can able to see the values. Okay. One more. So if you do not want to go for this one, you can go for. If you want to go for this one, you can go for this type of expansion also. Okay. I will show you what is the difference between this hierarchy and this one with the date column. Okay. Date column will have all this. But this is what the drill down options we can give here. By using this, you can go for drill down options. So whatever the way you want to have, you can make it here. Okay. Okay. So now we can go for back to report. We will take the same way we will take any date columns. See date columns we have, right? I will take one more chart, the same chart stacked, clustered column chart. This is what you will be having it. And then here I will take order date. Date column I will take. So whenever I'm taking the date column, you can see the hierarchy has been created automatically. The top you can see the hierarchy has been created. So date wise sales. So look at here, date wise sales. You have the sales by year. So it is taking sales by year. You can go for sales by year. You can go for data labels. Okay. So you can enable the data labels. You can see. So this is the sales by Okay, you can see the sales by year. So each year you are having the sales, what is the sales, and you are able to see. If you have this, if you click on this one, something like drill down options, so there is no options here, then I can go for one more hierarchy level. There is a difference between this one and this one. So what is the difference? You can see the differences. So one thing is, if you go on one level, the next level, it is making the Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Okay, this is a quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four. It is going with one more drill down options. If you are going with one more options, then you are having the month wise, monthly, what is the sales? Then one more time. So day wise. So 30 days we have the sales, right? So day wise we are going for. So again, one more time, like hierarchy. But can anyone tell that? So this is for which year, quarter? Or which year, month? This one. Which year we have taken? Any idea? So here we have the 4 years, right? So to 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. But if you look at here, so there is a difference between this one and this one. So this is the Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Again, one more time I'm going with. This is month. So January, February, March, April, May, June. So this is what. So this is nothing but it is having the consolidated value, right? The aggregation value for all the January. Say for an example, if we have the same view, I will take one more time here on the next side. So Control C, Control V. I will take it here also. If you look at here, this is the monthly sales, right? See, this is also monthly sales. I'll go with one more one. Okay, so you can see the differences. Say quarter, and then you are seeing the yearly. So instead of going with this hierarchy, right, I will go with this hierarchy. Expand all down one level in the hierarchy. So here it will be moved to this one. There is a difference between this one and this one. So both are like sales by year, quarter, and month. Here, sales by month. So what could be the difference? Can anyone guess it? What could be the difference?
No, it's taking year wise, right? I mean, the second option.
Both are like month wise only.
No, it takes year and it aggregates the year.
Mhm.
The second option.
Okay. See here, it is taking all the January month, right? So all the January month. Say for an example, this is 2016 quarter one January. Some values 29K, right? 29K. Then you will be having 2017 quarter one January. This is something like 29K. Again, you'll be having the segregated value, right? So here you'll be having again here 2019 January, right? So 65K. See all the values if you add here, it will become 0.16 million. So all the year, 4 years January. This is something like aggregation. This is something like you're having the as a separate value for each month. So this is also month only, but each month separate value are seeing, but here you are seeing that this is the value. Okay. So here January, February, March, this is what you are seeing, right? So if you look at here 0.27 million. So you can see which month we are performing well, right? So overall we are performing well on November, right? Then we are performing very least sales value on the February month, but here it's a separate value. Okay, you can go one more drill down. You can see here it's like all the month, right? Okay, you can go for month and you can go for the Q. Q wise also. Here also you can go for Q. It is a separate Q. All the 4 years, Q1 2016. Then you'll be having Q1 2017. Like this, you are having the separate value. Here it is aggregated value. Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. All this value are seeing. Okay. So this is the difference between this one and this one. The hierarchy, you can go for this option. This option is applicable for the the user also. Okay, they can able to use this one, then expand it. They can able to see the data. Okay, this is like day wise. Each day, a separate day, we are having it. So based on the scenario, you can go for which one you want to go for. Drill down options. Okay. Okay, I will go to the new page. I will go to the new page. You can see here I hope you have clear about this bar chart. I'll go for the stacked bar. Stacked bar means we'll be having one more columns, one more dimension, so you can go for. So I will take here the same way regional wise sales I'm taking. So it will go for regional wise sales, right? See, this is what regional wise sales it will take. Regional wise sales it is taking. The sales value it is taking, but at this time I will go for, see here, this is stacked bar, regional wise sales. I'll go for some other columns. See, legend is taking like regions. If you want to put axis, you can choose this way. But I can go for one more columns. One more columns. The year I will take from the order date. I will take the year on the axis. See here, I have the 4 years, right? Or I will take entire date hierarchy. See, this is what you can able to see the values, how the values are. So 2019, you are seeing in this particular. So this is 2019 for all the 4 different regions. 4 different regions. So regions on the legend, and if you want, you can go for hierarchy. If you do not want, remove the hierarchy. Just you can remove the hierarchy. It will be removed. This hierarchy will be removed. So this is stacked bar. You are seeing the stacked bar here. The value you can able to see here, right? So 2016, all the 4. Okay. So here it is having the like percentage. So that's why it is not taking the sales value. It is taking the sales value is in percentage. Okay. The sum of sales value. So no calculations. So it's going for sum of sales value. So it has taken the 100%, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So what is the value you are seeing? So 21%, then 26%, then 21, then 30. So this is what it is having the values based on this. It is showing like how the data has been changed. Okay, this is called stacked bar. Sometimes customer will ask this type of chart also. Okay, if you want to change the columns and rows in different way, this is the way you can change it. This chart you can choose 100% stacked bar chart. So this is the one, and this is also you can take stacked column chart. So this will take like a value. This will take a percentage. Okay, 100% out of this it will show you. But this is also, it will, if you look at here, this is like this is a stacked column chart only, but this will take the values, actual value. So 0.1 7 million, right? See, around the 0.7 million it is taking. Total value I'm saying that out of it, so what is the each value? So this is what you are seeing, the stacked bar chart. Sometimes our customer will ask this type of chart also. The values and regions and everything you are seeing. And if you want to know the data labels, you can enable the data labels. See here itself, you can able to see to the customer, you can show them. The legend you can make here, and you can make this way. Say for an example here, I want to do some formatting options. So that format we can do. So what is the format? So here I can go for so total label you want. Yes, you can enable the total label. So this total label will be enabled only for the stacked bar. 0.548 million, 0.47 million, 0.61 million, 0.73 million. So like this, it will be showing the total label. Okay. Then the data label, if you want to change any color or anything, you can go for change color, auto display. So orientations. So orientation means how it is showing that horizontal way. Positions. Then all this we can able to see here. Okay. So this is the something like a data label. General, you can see the general. So this is x-axis height, y-axis height. So all the height you can able to see. Legend, x-axis, and then y-axis. So zoom slider, if you want, you can make it, or if you do not want, you can leave it. So data label. You want the background for the labels, if you can enable, otherwise you can disable. So total label, plot area, title. So title, if you want to make title, sales by year and regions. So if you want to increase the heading, then you can make it this way. This will be taken, and then go and make it like a middle. Text size you can go for 15 is normal. Okay, or 16. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold, otherwise you can remove it. So these are all something like a format only. This is some self-explanation only. You can able to see the legend you are seeing here, right? I want to move the legend on the right hand side. So you'll be having one option called a legend. See, this is a legend. You can click on the position is top, it is showing. So instead of stop, you can go for right. So it will be on the right hand side. So like this. So wherever you want, right center, yes, right, or left, bottom, top. So this is what right center. See here it will be available. Wherever you want, you can keep it. So I'll keep it as of now, it's on the right side. You can see here. So this is what you can able to see the values. The legend. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. Data colors, data labels, plot area, title, background. So you can able to see all this. Okay. Background color is white. If you want to change the background colors, you can change it like this. Background colors will be changed. So whatever the color you want to have. But if you go here, you go to the page, right? See here we have something like colors and background colors are white colors. If you go to the modeling of the view, in the view you'll be having this different options here. There's some custom themes. You can apply these themes. The theme will be applied. If you look at here, the theme has been applied now. So something like a different theme will be applied automatically. based on the theme here we have. Okay. Go a little bit down. You can have many themes. See, whatever the theme you want to apply, you can apply the theme. So we'll be having some different themes. Okay, you can remove these colors and everything. It will be showing as per the theme. Okay, so based on the theme, it will be applied. So here the theme will be available in the view. Sometimes if you want to apply, you can apply it. The theme will be automatic theme will be applied. Even you can go for something like the colors and everything. We can go for themes from online also. Browse for themes. That means it will go to the Power BI apps. So there it will be going for, and then you can take the themes. If you want, you can take it. Otherwise, no need to take. Just if you will apply for, so it will be uniformly, it will apply. But if you want to apply themes, you can apply it. If you do not want, then choose the first one. See, this is the default one. Okay. This is called stacked bar. See, this stacked bar is nothing but you can go for year wise, column wise, everything can go for. You want to make the year on legend and then region on the axis. You can take the region on axis or the date on legend. Swap it. So each regions, this is 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. So this is what you can able to see the regional wise sales values. Clear on this? Okay. So I will go for one more chart here, the bar chart, same clustered bar chart. Here I will go for this bar chart. Okay. If you look at here, I will go for something like more values I will go for. I will go to state-wise sales. We have 49 states. State-wise, I will go for the sales. So we have all the state-wise sales, right? So this one. But I want to display only top 5 states based on the sales value, top 5. That means we are filtering out other states. Top 5 only I want to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how to make it? So here you'll be having the sales and state. You can go for the state top 5. Basic filter means here you are manually selecting it. I do not want to select manually. If I want to manually select, it is a static actually. But you can go for here top n. Here you will be having a top n. You will ask either you are going for top or bottom. So bottom means least. So I'll go for top. So top how many you want? Top 5, right? So top 5 based on which field? Sum of sales. Then drag and drop sales into by value. Okay. Then apply filter. Then it will show you the top 5 state. So you can see here the data label, you can enable it. So this is what you can enable. Then it will show you this values. Okay, top 5 always. So this is something like top 5. Same thing you can go for bottom 5 also. Bottom 5. Control C, Control V, and then you can have this on the right hand side. You can move this one. Okay, here this is what. So you can go for, instead of top, you can go for the filters. Click on the filter. Instead of top, you can go for bottom, apply filter. So here, these are all the top 5 states. So this is the bottom 5 sales based on the states based on the sales value. Okay. So you can have this type of filters, different filters like top N, basic filtering, advanced filtering. Advanced filtering means something like a difference. Like you'll be having contains, is equal to, not equal to, starts with, end with, is empty. So all this you can able to see from here. Okay. Tooltip and everything. So the same thing you can go. This is like something like a bar chart only. So everything is in bar chart. So top 5, bottom 5, and so whatever the way you want to have, you can have it. See, I want to see the only value for California, then you can choose. California is in west regions, so that's why it's showing this value. Okay, 20, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So you are seeing this value. So top 5 I want to go for only for one particular year, one particular regions. Something like west regions. Yes, you can able to see west regions on these three are in west regions. Okay, based on the selections on the view, the other view will get automatically changed. You need to do a lot of formatting options whenever we are creating the view. So that format we will see after some time, format and all. But this is the way you will create the bar chart. So different things are there in the bar chart. Okay, then I will go for, these are all the bar chart we have seen, clustered column chart and everything. This is something like line chart. Say for an example, line chart, you should have, definitely you should have a date column. So date column, so whenever you have the date column, you can go for line chart. Okay. So, but in Power BI, without date column also, you can go for line chart. So I want to go for regional wise sales. The line chart, it will be showing that, right? But in this Tableau, it will not show you regional wise sales. It will not show you the line chart. See, regional wise sales, line chart. But if you are going for, instead of regions, you are going for date wise. See, the same thing you can able to see here with the hierarchy. So this is 2016, 2017, 2018 and 19. Then you can go for one level drill down options. This is quarterly sales. Then this is like monthly sales. So you can see the differences, like which month we are performing well. So this is all the 4 years. All the month has been added. Okay. This is all the January month summation. This is February month. See, by seeing it, you can able to understand, okay, so for all the month, November month, we are performing well. We are doing that business on like business on multiple weekdays. Okay. See, this is multiple quarter, multiple January, February, March. So if you want to go for weekdays, then you have to do some calculations on the data. So that I will show you how to take weekday. So if you have any weekday, then only here it will be available. Okay. So this is something like line chart. See, wherever you want to go for line chart, you can go for the line chart also. Then area chart means this line will be completed by area.
So yeah, that line chart, I mean, it's showing the aggregated value, right? If I want to see the region-wise line chart, how to change it?
Okay, regional wise line chart. Then just instead of selecting the year, you have to choose the region. See here, I will go for one more line chart. So choose the region and sales line chart. This is regional wise sales line chart.
No, I mean the date and region I want to combine.
Date as well as regions. No,
Yeah.
that line chart will not be showing. So if you want to date and line chart should be combined, you have to go for either this line and column chart, the stacked column chart,
Okay.
or the line and clustered column chart. Then only you will have two measures, two dimensions.
Okay.
For
Okay.
example, I'll go for this one, right? So I can go for two measures here. Then one thing is on one, say for an example, regional wise, sales and profit I want to check. Sales and profit. I will check like this. Here we have the sales and profit, right? Regional wise sales and profit column values. And if you want to make column, instead of column values, you want to make line values, you can take the profit into line values. Okay. So here you want to check it. Then you want to make the region also in the, in the, so one more dimensions, what you have asked, the date era, right? Date you have asked. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
See the drill down options it is going for. See here, drill down. So for this view, this is what it will show you, that drill down options. Year. Okay. This is something like count of order date and sales, count of order date. Okay. How many count it is taking. The order date we are taking on the legends. In the access, we will take order date. Then in the secondary values, we will take the regions. Like this, you are asking?
Yeah. This is what I asked. Yeah.
So count it is taking. So this measure is taking for count only. Okay, this is not taking for any sum and all. But this is what two measures we have taken. One measure on the bar, another measure on the line chart. Okay, you can able to see this way. Or if you want to make this one into again the column values, so you can take the, instead of line, you can take the column values itself. So it is showing like the sales and then profit, sales and then profit, like this it is showing. If you want to change the color, that you can change it. Go to here and data colors. So whichever the data colors you want to choose, you can choose it, which color you want to go for. Something different colors. Okay, the customer can able to see this kind of view. So whatever the view they want to go for, they can choose this value. Okay, this is like both line chart and clustered column chart, both we have, and line and stacked. So this is something like a stacked area chart. Stacked area chart means the same way. Say for an example, this is area chart, right? This is area chart. I'll be going for stacked area chart. So for this one, there is no value. Stacked area chart, if you go for, here you'll be having the values. So if you want to add one more values, then you can You can able to see. See where the values you are seeing, right? This is the profit. So this is the sales. How the sales and profit values are showing. Okay. See, if you look at here, see, this is profit is showing 25K. So this is showing that different one. So why? Because both the axes are not in sync, sales and profit. Okay. So if you look at here, so what will you think? Sales is less, profit is more, right? So if you look at here, sales is less, profit is more, but it is in reverse order. So this is the one actually. Actually, this is the one correct. Okay. See, this is the sales value, this is the profit value. So out of this much sales, this is the profit. You can change this order, profit and sales. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, this is something like a different chart we are seeing here, clustered column chart, all this. Then I will show you the ribbon chart. What is this waterfall chart and all? Something like it's a funnel chart. So what is this funnel chart? So I'll go for one more page. So funnel chart, it's nothing but simply on the like hierarchy. I'll go for state here. State-wise sales, I'll go for the funnel chart. State-wise sales, the funnel chart. Look at here, I have the 49 states, right? So that's what it's showing, all the states. And then you are seeing all the values. I want to go for something like only top 10. Then you can choose here. State, only top 10. Top N, top 10 states based on the sales value. Drag and drop sales into here, apply filter. So only top 10 states it will show you. So this is like something like a funnel chart. Sometimes the customer will ask, they want to go for pyramid chart. So pyramid is nothing but opposite this one, the way. So how can I change this one? So I can go for like sorting the algorithm. So sorting, instead of descending order, go for ascending order. Then it will become like a pyramid chart, pyramid. Okay. So which one is highest one, the next one, like this it will go for. So we can change it actually. So which chart I want to go for. So here you will be having export as data, show us a table, spotlight, and then sort the values. So here they will be having the sort values. Okay. Descending order and ascending order. Balaji, I think your camera has been on. Okay. So now this is what will be having the values, the focus mode and everything. Then you will be having the scatter plot. So what is the meaning of scatter plot, right? Say for an example, when will you go for scatter plot? In order to analyze my two measures, one measure will be on the axis. Okay, one measure on the x-axis, one measure will be on the y-axis. And against these two measures, based on the dimensions, we want to analyze it. Then I will go for the stacked bar. I'll choose the stacked bar. I'll choose the measure sales and profit. So if you choose, sales will be on one axis, profit will be on another axis. So this is something like two measures we can analyze it. against one dimensions where this particular dimensions are fit into. I'll go for different dimensions like subcategory. See here where it will be distributed. Where the data has been distributed, you can see here. If I'm going to take the category into legend, it will show in the different colors. That's all. Or category in the size. See, based on the values, the size it will be showing different one. Or the sales value into size. Based on the sales value, it will be showing the size. So less sales value, then highest sales value, or profit also you can go for. Okay. See, these are all highest sales value. Highest sales. Less sales and highest profit. This one. And compared to others. So this is what you can able to see how the values are. So you can see more values are distributed on the below 100K values, right? Or below 200K values or more values are distributed here only. So you can see this all the values one by one. Then we can make use of this scatter plot. So when will you go for scatter plot? Normally scatter plot we will go for quadrant axis analysis. Okay. If I want to analyze based on the quadrant axis, then I will go for the scatter plot. Next one is pie chart. So this is pie chart is very easy. So I'll go for pie chart. I'll go for, see, whenever when we have to go for pie chart, right? When we have less dimension values, then we can go for the pie chart. You should not go for state-wise sales for pie chart. Why? Because we have 49 states, right? See, more values will be there. But here you can go for, so this is the pie chart. See, look at here, the pie chart. Whatever the way you want to have the pie chart, you can able to see here. So the details you want to have, the legend, values. See, all this you can able to see, the labels also. The data label, you can see something like data value percentage, right? Data value and percentage, only data value. Only data value, okay? So percent of total, only percentage. Category and data value. So this is what you want to go for. Yes, you can remove the legend. You can remove the legend. Here itself we are showing the west region, south region, all this, right? So then no need to have this color display where we want to go for. So bold, italic, underline, outside. See, inside. See here inside, if you want to check, this is also possible. Sometimes customer will ask this type of chart also. Inside, if you are choosing, then legend, you can remove it. See, legend, you can hide it. Okay, if you do not want, you can go here, legend, you can off. That will go off. Okay, only this value you will see. And you want to go for data colors, different colors instead of this color, darker color. You can choose it, which color you want to have. Okay, which color you want to have. So you can choose whatever the color you want to have. Okay. The same chart, I want to go for donut chart. So actually the donut chart will not be available for directly. So Control C, Control V. The donut chart is not available directly in Tableau and all, but in Power BI it is available. We can make use of this. See here. So this is what you can able to see the donut chart. But in donut chart, why we are going for the donut chart, right? See why we are going for the donut chart. We are seeing the south region, west region, east region, and everything. Here, the total sales value you can go for. What is the value? Is it possible to bring the total sales value here? Any values are there? Total values. I want to go for total sales value, sum of sales value, but here in the center I want to go for, and there is no directly this one. Then what you can go for? The card, you can enable it. The card. So this one is the card. You have to create the card one separately. Here you can keep the card one. This is actually the card. You can choose the sales. This is showing like a million, right? You can go here, the data label, display as thousands. So this is the thousands, okay, values. Then reduce the size. Again, reduce the size. We can reduce it. Okay, keep it inside this one view. So you have to make this one as, so you'll be having go to back, you'll be having one options. So that option you have to check it, the order. Still we have to reduce the size of the one data label. Yeah, so this is what we have to check here, how the views are. Okay, so you can able to check this way. So if you click on the outside, it will be showing. So this is the way you can make, say for an example, out of 2000K, okay, you are having all this view like this. If you add all this values, it will become 2000K, 2.2 million. So this is what you can create a pie chart and donut chart and everything. If you want to go for only for West regions, if you are clicking on, it will show only for West regions, it will highlight. See, out of all the 10 states, West region we have like two states. So you can click on. So this is the way it will show you. So what you can do, I will send you the data sheet to you. You create different chart like this up to this donut chart, and I will send some exercise also. So complete that exercise and you can send it to me. Okay, that's what you can practice.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, sir, this is the first session, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, how to add Excel sheet to the modeling, sir? Actually, I got a confusion on that. Actually,
so I sent one video, right? The first video.
first video you explained each and everything, right?
Yeah, I have explained.
I
See,
didn't
here
get
you
that.
have to go to the data model. So
Okay.
first you have to create the data model, get data.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Excel workbook.
Okay.
Okay. How we will do in the Tableau, right? The same way. So
Okay.
text CSV or CSV file here.
Okay.
Okay. See, if it is a CSV file, you have to go for this one. Click on this, you have to choose the file.
Good.
I will send this file. Okay. Orders, people, and returns. Choose one by one.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Then if you are choosing, all the data model will automatically create it. Then we can take the sales. This
So
one.
this is called as modeling. This is called as modeling. That.
This is called a model, data model. So first we will do the data model only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Data model only. If you want to refresh the data, you can click on this and then you can refresh the data manually. So this is, we are refreshing the data manually.
Okay.
Here also you'll be having one option refresh, right?
Yeah.
See, instead of going for all the 3 refresh, we can go for only 1 refresh. That is, here you can. So here if you are clicking on refresh,
Okay.
so whichever the data sources are there in the data model, everything will get refreshed.
Dynamically getting, right?
Yeah. So refresh, edit, query, and all this you can go for one by one. Okay.
Sir, another doubt I have is, see, finally just we are publishing this model only, right? In server.
This only, yeah. Finally, this model only we are publishing.
Okay.
So once you have created all the views, so you'll be having the publish option, right? So
Yeah.
here you have to publish, but we need to have a Microsoft account to publish it. I will show you how to get it. Okay.
What is
So
the extension for this? Is actually so what is the file actually? Is the TBL something like that?
PBI file, PBIX.
TBIS.
Yeah.
TBIS.
This is Power BI. X is nothing but, so this is a Power BI X. This is the file extension format.
Okay.
Power BI X means data source information also, it will be there. It's a packaged file.
Okay. Okay.
So if you are going for save us here, right?
Okay.
See, here you'll be having the Power BI template file.
Oh.
So you want to create a template, you can create a template, or you can go for the .Power BI X file. X is nothing but a packaged file. It will have all the data source informations also.
PBIX means what is the difference between this? What is the difference between template and PBIX?
Template means you are creating this template view for them.
Okay, okay, okay.
They can use it for themselves. See, you'll be having the some format here, right?
Okay.
I was showing some format.
Okay.
The view, you'll be having some template and all. Okay, some template themes and all. So you want to take that template and then you have to use it in your view. You can have the template.
Okay, okay.
But normally we will not create any template. We'll go for publishing of this Power BI X file. Okay, X means packaged file. It will have all the data source informations also.
It's a multiple actually. Just multiple.
Yeah, view as well as data.
Okay, multiple sources also acceptable, right? In one.
Yeah, multiple sources also accessible.
Acceptable. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This template is nothing but the multiple files.
Template, you are creating template for somebody else.
Okay, okay.
So you want to create the template. So normally you'll have PowerPoint template and all, right?
Yes.
So how the template will be the same way. We are creating a template for the person. I will explain that template concept. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so up to here, these are all very basic model only. Just to create it, I will give you some exercise. If you do the exercise, you will come to know.
Okay, sir. Is it downloadable from Microsoft site, right?
Yes.
So 30 days file or we can use permanently.
It's permanent. Okay, it's a desktop is permanent.
Desktop is permanent. Okay, sir.
Yeah, this Power BI desktop is permanent. Power BI Desktop Pro, another version is there. So that's cost.
That's cost effective.
Yeah, that is cost. But here Power BI Desktop is free.
But environment is both are same, right? Both are same.
Both are same. Environment is both are same. While only the publishing it will be different.
Okay. Both environments are
same only.
But
Power BI Pro, Power BI Desktop is same only.
Okay.
But publishing options will be different.
So publishing options should be different, and whenever we want to publish in the server, then only we will pay the amount.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, is it
different
possible?
members we want to collaborate the data. Different members will be there, right? The others will be there, client will be there. So we have whatever we have developed, we have to publish it to them, right? So that time we need to have these options, Power BI Pro. Even with the Power BI desktop also we will publish. I will show you that. Not for many users we can show, it for only one user. Publishing also I will explain, okay? I will stop it here.